I am so excited to open this, to get started on the Effol FX Advent Calendar for equestrians. I have never seen an Advent calendar like this. Sure, you have Advent calendars that are chocolate and things like that, socks even, but have you ever seen one that's geared towards horses and equestrians? I haven't. I am so excited to share this with you guys, and we're going to do this one day at a time. So every day starting today, December 1st, and going through December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, I am going to be opening one of the windows, the corresponding window to the corresponding day. Now, if you want to get this Advent calendar, I got this at Writing Warehouse, and it was $49.95. But when I went and checked Writing Warehouse, they don't have it anymore. However, I did go to Big D Web. I think that's what it is, Big D's Web. And they still had them, and they were like $42 and some odd cents. That's probably for Black Friday or the week after Black Friday. But check there, or you can just do a Google search for FX or Effol Advent Calendar, and you might be able to find one. All right. So how about we go ahead and open up day number 1, which I don't even know where it is. Day number 1. Oh, down right here. Can you see that? Day number 1. Ugh. I don't want to hurt it. Oh, maybe I go like this. I don't know. I got it. Day number 1. I don't know what it is. Is it empty? Oh, it is not empty. Come on, day number 1. Come out of there. All right, so this is day number 1 of the Effol Advent Calendar, and this is Effol Hoof Salba. Salba? It is a hoof ointment. Oh, and it's sealed, so I have to open it. And it has a little bit of a smell, but not very much smell. This hoof ointment is an all year-round product for daily basic hoof care. It preserves the elasticity and resilience of healthy hooves, and it has laurel oil, which promotes growth of the hoof horn. That is pretty awesome. I don't know how many ounces it is. It's 50 milliliters, so I believe that's 3 ounces. I'm not sure, but it's definitely a good size product to actually try it out and see how it works. So, Effol Hoof Ointment is the first item in the 24 days of Christmas or 24 videos of Christmas Advent calendar. That is really awesome. I'm really excited to use it, and I think I'm going to go try it on the horses and see what they think. And if you want to see what is behind all of the rest of the little windows for this Advent calendar, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to watch me open all of the little packages right here from the Effol and FX Advent Calendar made for equestrians. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.